Google Classroom. How do I add a parent account to my student account so that the parents can see what's happening with the student work and have a little bit of a teacher view so they know what's late, what's missing, without having full access? What you need to do is to go up to people, and instead of adding here like we've done in the past, I'm going to go to the student I want and click on Invite Guardian. Type in the email address of your parent. So if I click on this one, then you would click Invite. What happens then is an email is going to go straight to the parents with an invitation to Google Classroom. It's going to let that parent only see their child's work. And the email will ask how often they want to see their work, missing work, late work. You don't have to worry about any of that. Google does all that work for you. All you need to do is click Invite Guardians, put in their email address, click Invite, and your work is done. Parents have what they need.